Hawwa Fruitful Garden. In a sunny village, there was a little girl named Hawwa. Hawwa was 5 years old, and she loved helping her father in their orchard. Every day, Hawwa and her father would walk among the fruit trees. There were apples, oranges, and juicy berries. Hawwa's small hands helped pick the ripe fruits. Her father taught her about each fruit and its tasty benefits.
Apples are crunchy, oranges are juicy, and berries are sweet.
Her father explained. Hawwa learned about colors, shapes, and delicious tastes. She felt the smooth skin of an apple and the bumpy peel of an orange. Together, they gathered the fruits in baskets. Hawwa loved being her father's little helper. As they worked, Hawwa's father shared stories about how fruits help us grow strong and healthy. Hawwa listened with wide-eyed wonder. And so, in their orchard filled with love and learning, Hawwa and her father enjoyed the sweetness of both fruits and time spent together.